Hey guys, it's Kylie with Punky Hair Colour, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use our semi-permanent hair color. And today we're going to be using Alpine green. So today we're going to be using the brush and glove kit, and you can use a bowl, but I'm going to be applying directly from the jar. So let's get started. So it's been 30 minutes and the color's fully processed, so now we're gonna go wash it out and I'll be right back. Just rinsed off, so now I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry. Okay, so this is the final look. It took me about 45 minutes to achieve, and this green is just everything. I love it so much. Thanks for joining me today, and for more information, go to punky.com.